Welcome. Let's look at this JAMB past question, Geography 2018, question number 7. Which of the following hazards would most likely result directly from deforestation? A. Soil erosion. B. Mass wasting. C. Drought. D. Water pollution. E. Flooding. Now, whenever you talk about deforestation, we are talking about when we have trees. This is your land mass. Now you're having your trees. Now by act of industrialization or urbanization, you cut down these trees. When you cut down these trees, there will be lesser. You will now be having empty land mass, so that when rain fall or when there is any agent of erosion, they can easily carry the soil and cause erosion. So soil erosion is the most likely direct result of deforestation. But then you can still have any of these later. You can have flooding, so much flooding because there are nothing to wedge the flow again. You understand? But the most direct effect of deforestation is erosion, because when you cut down all these trees, you have empty space, so that when there is rain or anything that can move soil, then soil can easily be eroded. So that makes option A the right answer to this. Thank you.